Yeah, for us, we want to make it categorically clear that we reject from the onset the appointment of the so-called Technical Committee on the Constitution Review. We say so because when we look at the individuals making up that committee, these are well-documented UPND cadres. And when you look at the judgment of the Constitutional Court, it said that the consultative process must be independent. And you cannot have an independent consultative process when the committee leading that process is predominantly made up of people who support UPND. And additionally, the norm has always been that there would be an advert in local media of those who want to sit on the technical committee of such a process, and people would offer themselves. On the other hand, key institutions of governance, such as civil society institutions, such as trade associations, Law Association of Zambia, and so on and so forth, would be approached and requested to offer a representative to sit on such a committee. That was not done. Can you imagine a process of amending the Constitution and the committee leading that process does not have any representative of a key institution such as the Law Association of Zambia? That is laughable. So our submission is that the so-called technical committee is rejected, and we are going to approach the Constitutional Court. If no one else does, we are going to proceed to approach the Constitutional Court and basically challenge this process that President Hakainde Hichilema has started, because it does not meet the constitutional standard that was set in the judgment of the Constitutional Court a few months ago.